There were no two lovers like us in Valencia. What Vicent Andres healthiest didn't mention is that there was. Because while they loved each other from morning to night, we have loved our land in the healthiest way, tirelessly from season to season. Because every season, whether it's winter or summer, spring or autumn, give us something better than the last. Something that just as you start to enjoy it, bids you farewell, until later or until next year. And that makes you want it even more. Because there is something eternal in everything fleeting in Valencia that makes us never want to leave her. That makes us want to come back every time. Valencia, eternal and seasonal.